Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, and hope all of you are doing great today. And now on today's video, we are going to see and learn about the massive fall on the gold. Okay, you can see here yesterday. I think I have already made a live video on this content also that the gold is on resistance phase. So it will fall slightly also. I think yesterday I have made this video. Hope all of you have understood about this. So, if we develop the proper knowledge, then we can be a profitable trader also. So, let's try to see this one also. Uh, uh, I think my website isn't functioning well today, so I am here on TradingView. So it asks me for joining me. If my website becomes fully functional, then I will be live with my own website. Okay, I have just monetized my site, so Google AdSense has sent me about the traffic issue that I'm using my own site to get more traffic. So I I'm not using my site today because I will be restricted for a month or a year. But uh, after, if I didn't obey their rules and regulation, then I may be restricted from that phase also. So hope all of you can understood about the condition and the if you understood about this, then it will be easier. So I'm using a trading view website. So I'm making you clear about this. I think yesterday I already said to you about the support and resistance phase. Okay. On the top here will be resistance means the zone from where the assist or any kind of a thing has it started to fall down. It has reached its maximum height around these around 5,593, and yesterday we were analyzing around this 5,200 or something, and but from that phase it has fall down. And we will see based on RSI indicator. RSI generally indicate the overbought and over sold zone, so that it makes us quite easier to understand about the each if it is overbought or oversold. But we cannot predict much more on gold and silver because um, this thing, this future has a quite good, and commodity thing has a quite good advantage on long term. If we buy just gold for today also from just year up to 2 or 3 year, we may be on surely, we will be surely on profit. So consider about this. So don't try to trade on gold in the short term, or don't try to do it the short sell. Okay, always be a long-term trader. When you become a long-term trader, you can get an advantage that you can build the patience. Okay, so building a patience is also very crucial, and having good patience makes us easier to understand about the market condition. Now I think it will reach around up to here. I think it is on year 4,954, and there will be the maximum probability up to falling up to here. Let me showcase you about this using the RSI indicator. I think already you already have knowledge about this also. So okay, let me sign in over here. Okay, uh, okay, I'll sign in here. Okay, now I've signed in here using my account. So please don't try to hack my account, okay, master? So I'm going to tell you about which is the best time to buy. Now you can see here the gold is not around here all when I make this on all. Okay, now you can see it here. Gold is not around this around oversold zone. It just came around here this time around 28 dollar during 1993 to 1995. Okay, then it never came around below 30. Okay, consider this point, and we are here. It was around 36 when the time was around 2011 also 2011 12 it was around 36 and moved around 81 also, but dear RSI, I'm considering the RSI, and it was around 903, and now the lowest phase of gold was around the year of 2016. It was around $1,044. Up to this phase, there was quite not good return for the people who have invested in the gold, but after after some passing of the some year, it has provided the return. So always be for a long term. If you just thought, if you just think for a long term, then you can get quite more return also. So maximizing the return makes you always a better trader, and you can always get and earn much more profit. Okay, so consider about this phase, and as I have already said you about, I think there will be the much more better buy zone around this around 3500. I think it will not come around 34 or 3500, but this will be the best thing to buy also. But if you just think over the long term, then this zone will also be better to buy. See here, it was around this zone around 2043, but it hasn't fall as we have expected. Just 500 was its fall percentage. So when you try to predict this zone, I think we can draw a line also. Let's try to see this price range and date range. Okay. Now, this was the its resistance, okay, and let's consider about this. Around 21% was its fall, so $436. So let's around we have to draw around 21% fall over here also from its all-time high. No, we will not draw from this week. We will draw from this range, okay, from this range so that we can predict the base level, okay. Up to 21% means here, as I have already said, it is on around 3900, but considering 3500 will be the better buying zone. Always try to think for long term for gold also, then this kind of index fund also. So index fund also provide much more return. So see it here on S&P 500 index also. Let's try to see this. S&P 500 index. So S&P 500 index also provide much more return to its investor also. Why this chart isn't loaded? I think there is issue on its website also. There is S&P 500, but the chart isn't loaded over here. So consider always choose a better index and better commodity market. So don't try to gamble on much more things like this one, cryptocurrency. Also, if you don't understood very well about cryptocurrency, then you have to bear the very high amount of loss also. USDT also, Ethereum also. So always try to choose gold for the best option, then other thing. Okay. So gold is one of the best investment for all, because most of the country use gold as their reserve. So gold is the best thing. Okay. And if you have any issue, then try to comment on our live section, and we are here, and this is our second day of our live session. So if you uh, have any issue, then try to comment, and I'll reach out soon as possible. and always try to be the learner. So if you can learn more, then you can definitely earn more. Okay, so learning is very good way to gain success. If we just try to learn something new, if you just read for 10 minutes for today and 20 minutes tomorrow, then 30, then it will be compound massively, and we can get much more advantage after those people who are not willing to learn, and we can surely win over them. Okay, so hope all of you have understood about this. And this is our second day. So we have discussed about the massive fall on gold, and now we will discuss about another thing also. Now S&P 500 also we will discuss. Then various stock market from all over the world also we will discuss. From we have around 100 stock market on our website also, and our website is on maintenance phase. So I'm not making any kind of a video over there. Okay, so have a great day, and just try to learn, and on next video we'll analyze the S&P 500 index. Okay, so this was for today, and I think it was better audio than before or yesterday also. So it will be very easier for you to understand my clear voice. I'm not a native English speaker, so my language is not good as those people who have the primarily based on English language. I'm not from the English speaking country, primarily majorly. So there may be the issue on our on my language, but I'll try to improve you. I'll try to improve my language, and I'll make the best video. Okay, so I'm just pursuing my undergraduate or the bachelor course. So if I finish my course, then if my YouTube channel grow, then I will be live every day, and I'll give you best, and I'll not uh, do anything. I'll not make any paid courses also. I'll bring all the live video, and I have made a website free. All thing are free. Just we have to overcome our expenses. So we are trying to run some aid also, but all the thing, all the feature on our website, all are free. So I'll give the link of my website on description, so you can easily understood about this. And we are maintaining a news site also, news, then other other platform like sport also, and we are making better visualization on our site. So hope all of you have understood my point. Okay, and now let's just see about the gold. Okay, now just see, and when it try to click on here. Okay, and now see gold is here, and now S&P 500 has also loaded. See, index fund also provide quite more good return compared to stock also. So there will be the much more chance on having loss on stock. So most of the people, and I have learned from most of the investor, that stock index fund provide a very good return. Okay. Now from 1883 we can see it's a return. Okay, on gold. Okay, now seasonal, and we will make it on table so that we can easily understood about this. Up to 40 year from it is providing a very good return. Now just make from 1929 to just from 1977 to 1980 to 2026. Okay. 2010 to 2026, this was the return phase, and up to 9 year it has provided positive return. Then up to 6 year the return was negative. So always try to look on this. So how much return we can get, an average percentage return also we can see it here. So uh, gold is better than any other thing. Okay, if you have a risk taking capacity, then you can buy the stock, and if you have much more another risk taking capacity, then you can buy the cryptocurrency also. But if you don't, if you don't want to lose your money. If you just save your money, then there will be the best option to buy gold and silver, because it is not printed by the central bank. Okay, so no any central bank has authority to control over the gold, but on the stock also central bank can control. And on the bond also governmental bond like bond, if you invested on the bond market of USA, then debenture market, then central bank will control. But on cryptocurrency also, government has not any influence. But the majority of the investor who have huge sum of money, if they have invested and they have bought some cryptocurrency, they can easily manipulate them. But on the gold, also there will be not much more manipulation, because most of the currency or most of the thing are related, and gold is used as a very reserve. Okay, so we have to consider about this. So most of the people use also used to invest on gold to get quite much more return yield also. So if you understand my point, then just see and how gold used to work, and I'll uh, bring my site live also, so you can easily understood about this. I can explain you very easily also. You can change to your own currency also. And we are making it quite good for everyone. Okay. So hope all of you have understood about this. And if you have any feedback, then try to comment on our comment section. And I did this two time in one video. Sorry for that. And hope we will be live tomorrow also. Okay. So have a great day, and always try to learn. And if you just learn new thing, then you can certainly earn more. Okay. Have a great day.